The MANHART MHX6 500 proves that meaningful performance gains don't require full M-car access. Based on the BMW X6 X-Drive 40i, this refined tuning package delivers more power, sharper presence, and everyday usability. At the heart of the MHX6 500 is BMW's familiar 3-liter B58B30 turbocharged inline-six, producing 381 horsepower and 520 Nm in standard form. Using its MHtronik power box, MANHART increased output to 480 horsepower and 630 Nm, delivering stronger acceleration and sharper throttle response. The upgrades include a stainless steel exhaust system with valve control and 400 mm tailpipes for a more aggressive sound. The MHX6 500 rides on MANHART concave 1 wheels, sized 10.5 by 22 inches at the front and 11.5 by 22 inches at the rear, wrapped in 295/30 and 335/25 tires. Carbon fiber accents enhance the sporty look, including a MANHART carbon front spoiler by Larte Design, carbon rear diffuser, rear spoiler lip, and mirror caps. In the interior, MANHART steering wheel spokes, carbon pedal shifters, and embroidered MANHART floor mats set the tone.